Hey everyone, and welcome to the vlog. This is the first vlog for 2019. Very exciting because I am pumped for this year. Last year was a little bit of a slump. I didn't really get into it, but this year I promise you things are going to be a hell of a lot better, and hopefully those birds bugger off. If this is the first time you're tuning into the channel, welcome. My name is Nelson. I live in South Africa and I've got JDM cars. Quick little flex, 2 RX7s, R32 GTR, MR2 SW20, and then a daily Lexus. So what are we going to get started with? We're going to take a look at the RX7 FD3S, and I'm going to give you guys a little bit of an update of what's been going on with the car. First of all, I just want to thank a couple people. One, I want to thank Gareth. He's been a huge help here. Two, I want to thank Jono. He's also been a huge help. Both Gareth and Jono have been coming here on Friday nights. We've just been chugging along till 11, 12, 1 in the morning, working on this RX7 FD3S. There's a bunch of you guys online, some of my subscribers like Jason, 1224, he's another big influencer on Instagram. He's a scale model builder. You guys have been an amazing help guiding me with this build, answering my questions. I mean, this is the first time I've done anything like this before, with no prior knowledge of rotary engines or doing a single turbo build on any of my cars. I mean, I've had a lot of turbo cars in the past and I've never done a single turbo build. So guys, thank you so much to everybody, including the subscribers, each and every one of you guys that drop a comment, no matter how long, how short. Thank you so much. Right, let's get straight into this. There she is. Been a while. Dusty, dirty, currently on stands at the moment. So, let's take a look. Okay, let's start with what is actually done and then what needs to be completed. And once I get through it, you'll understand that I'm right here. We're probably going to be starting in the next 2 weeks, which is exciting stuff. Manifold is done, bolted on, gaskets on, no issues. Turbo is 100% bolted on, that's not going anywhere. All my oil lines are done. A little bit of a kink on that one, but it's just going to be drainage, so not a big deal. Oil feed on the top, it's got one of those little swivel things on it. That worked out quite nicely. Pineapple racing pulley on this side. Haven't really finished the install. I just need to fit the rest of this water pump. It just needs to be tightened, and then I need to put the belts on, and then we're done with that guy. Obviously put the rest of the belts on the car, and I need to put the new radiator fans in. Gareth and I did this. Looks super cool. Gold reflective foil. I don't know what difference it'll make. I have seen a couple YouTube videos where it's like a couple degrees, but I don't know what difference it'll make there, but it does look cool where it is. Battery location is done. Take it to the back of the car, you can take a look at that. Oh, sorry, it's not exactly done because I need something here to hold the battery. So there's this little plastic battery holder thing that I kind of need to bolt into the floor of the RX7. But anyway, the cables are done. I've had those crimped, those all in. I was thinking about putting in this pivot raisin battery voltage thing. I don't know, maybe not. I'll just leave it like that. Have a super clean look. Okay, so let's call that done because the other part is pretty quick. I do need to put a lug on this, so this is my ground. There needs to be a lug on the end to go into there. This just needs to be mounted after the fans are put back on. What else? AST needs to be relocated. Thinking about deleting it, but I might just run it for now. I don't know, I'm a little bit lost in that one. Oh, nice big one. Gareth and I worked 2 Fridays ago, and we managed to do the wiring for the EBC, so that's the boost controller, or the solenoid for the boost controller. Pushed all the wiring through here. That just needs to be closed up. So if you want to run your wiring into the cabin from the engine bay, what you're going to do is you're going to follow that little hole over there, push your wiring through, it'll come through underneath this black thing. I need to just put a little tabs back on and secure it. There's a grommet right over here. Grommet's about this big. What you want to do is you want to take a coat hanger. So I bent a coat hanger straight, it's not straight anymore. Tied wires or whatever wires for the boost controller. I mean, I managed to push something as thick as that right through. Taped it up for obviously security so it didn't kind of break. Pushed it through. Gareth was sitting on the inside and he saw it, pulled it with a pair of vice grips, and yeah, came out on the other side. Okay, so boost controllers in, the wideband wiring is in, Apexi Power FC is in, turbo timer is in. I kind of just need to close up here and do the 12 volt wiring and all that stuff. But basically, I'm sort of done with all the wiring. Let me show you guys what it looks like with the intercooler in. Okay, it's going to look something like that. Obviously the brackets are not in, not holding the intercooler up. It's going to sit a little bit higher up and slightly less at an angle. This pipe over here is going to have the blow-off valve, a dump valve welded onto it. That guy over here. So I need to take that off the fabricator sometime next week. That's going to sit something like that, or maybe on the inside. I'm not 100% sure what I want yet. Anyway, you get the idea. It's going to be something like that with the intercooler. That pipe I still need to make up somewhere over there. Probably that one. I'm going to bend it, and yeah, I've got all the silicone pieces there. That one that I'm going to run on that side, and then put the pipe across. So it's going to be a little short run. That's going to sit over there, nice and cool, matches the rest of the gold, sort of. Okay, so what the hell is left to do? Not that much. One, I need to get new hose, so I'll do it at the same time that I go get the fabrication done. To run from there to just underneath the UIM, that's not a big deal. This one's for the blow-off valve. This is the vacuum that's going to come somewhere over there. There's another water supply down the bottom that I need to block off. That's something quick to do. Then I've written the rest of the stuff. Fit pineapple racing, so like I said, I just need to tighten it up and put the belt on. Halfway there with that one. Run vacuum hose. Wastegate's done, map sensor's done, charcoal canister's done, intake, no one wrote intake there, fuel pressure regulator's done, I think I meant dump valve. Relocate battery almost done, degrease and clean. I think once it's running I'm just going to take it out and do a high pressure and all of that. I couldn't do it with everything apart. Good radiator pipes. Oh, I do have one more radiator pipe that I want to change to the purple one up there. Make an intercooler pipe, I just told you about it, and then I need to make the brackets and then fit the other fans. Extend the AST. As you can see, there is not much left to do, because that's the other thing. I'm going to drive this car with this as an exhaust. So that's a V-band section which sits in the back here. I'm going to drive with no bonnet, get it down a couple kilometers down the road to an exhaust shop, get them to make an exhaust up, but it's going to be an interesting drive. So guys, that's pretty much it, the car. I'm so close in starting it. I know it's taken such a long time, but there's been so much going on my end with the house and renovations. I know I keep complaining about renovations, but it's an ongoing thing, and the problem is I'm kind of like doing it myself, so I get a team of guys here, I'm managing them, I'm working with them, I'm picking up the shovel and I'm shoveling stuff with them. So the play area is almost done, which is cool, so I just need to start building jungle gyms and all sorts of stuff for my daughter, fake houses and anyway, stuff that you guys do not want to hear. Back to the car stuff. I've got a lot going on, guys and girls. I am rambling. This has been a long video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you stayed all the way to the video, thank you so much, really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button, and well, I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.